So let's draw two squares over here. Just rough idea. If you want a little bit bigger, yes, go ahead and draw a little bit bigger square. So from here to here, this line, this is the middle point. It can be a little bit here or here, that's totally fine. From here to here, middle point here. From this corner to this one, connect straight. Just go and give a straight line. From this corner to this one. So once you are drawing this one, when you are done, just make sure this shape and this is almost same. Not one is not big and one is skinny. No, both of them, they have to be same size. Now you can erase this part and this part. Now for this line, this might be the middle point or a little bit down. So this half and this half, they have to be same size. This one, this one, this one, and this one. Now this is the plus sign over here. So under this one, I'm going to draw a leaf shape. On the top, there will be two circles. It's not really cartoony and it's not really realistic. And this is alphabet U upside down here. So from here, you can draw these two of them. You can draw a little bit longer, smaller, totally up to you. Now this is the first circle from the top, not from the bottom. From the top, this is the first circle, this one. Under alphabet U. So I will start from the top of this circle and I have to go here. So when I go, I don't go straight. I will go kind of like a hill style or sad face, this way. Same thing I will do here. To start here, I will go to this corner. And this line over here, I will do slightly sad face here. And this one also in the middle, one kind of like a very flat sad face. And now I have to come all the way down to this circle here. This is the point. So I will curve this one on my guideline. This is the sad face. Then again I will curve. This is my guideline. And I have to come here. Same thing I will do here. I will curve. And I have to come here. Once I'm done over here, I will do sad face, both sides. So wherever you start for this one, same thing you have to do here. Do not start here or here. So you can see the gap here, same gap you have to put it here. And then it will go all the way to the second circle, bottom of the second circle here. You can draw a line and you can curve. So don't go outside, not inside. See, I'm touching my guideline over here and then I'm curving this one. So when I'm drawing this one, I'm just keep checking this one. So if I will do this way, I have to correct this one, almost same size. I'm going to erase all my guidelines. So once you are done, you can draw any design, whatever you really like. Suppose if you want to follow your own line and you did not follow, so don't go and color here. It's okay to go a little bit here and there. I'm just doing random. You can do the exactly same thing, both side. You can leave the space white, or you can color the whole thing black and take the white marker and add white dots here and here. Totally up to you. So if you're coloring with the Sharpie or any marker, make sure you don't color the whole thing, because after that any marker or anything is not giving me white dots. So I'm using paint. So one dot here, whatever I will do the same thing this side.